What it do? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious, crispy, herb and garlic crusted salmon you have ever tasted in your life. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave a like for your boy as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. Alright guys, on the screen here I'll show all the ingredients that we're going to be using to make our delicious salmon. I'm just going to combine all these ingredients into this bowl and give it a nice little mix, guys. And guys, I must put it in there, this salmon is off the hook. This salmon is bomb. This salmon is fire. This salmon is everything. This salmon is so good. Your family, your loved ones, they're gonna absolutely love this recipe when you make it for them. They're gonna give you that double take. They're gonna look at you twice because it's so good. Now that I have all my ingredients in here, I'm gonna give them a nice little mix, get them all tossed up and well combined. Once I have them well combined, we're gonna take our pan that we're gonna be baking our salmon and we're gonna line that with some aluminum foil. And on the back side of this salmon, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper. Once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna flip it back over and we're gonna grab that bowl and get all of our ingredients and layer them on top of the salmon. We're gonna kind of press them down, make sure the top of the salmon is fully coated so we have a nice, beautiful crust on our salmon. Oh my goodness, it's so good. And guys, I don't bake salmon often, but when it comes to baking salmon, this is one of the best recipes to go to. I don't know, it's hard to put it in words how delicious this salmon is. This is a 10 out of 10. It ain't no 10 out of 10. This is a 100 out of 10. You know what I'm talking about? This is so delicious, man. I'm telling you. So as you can see here, we're just about done getting all of the breadcrumbs and all of the beautiful seasoning on top of our salmon here. And you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and you're gonna throw these bad boys in there. Towards the end of the cook, you can go ahead and leave it on broil just for like less than a minute, just to get that extra crispiness on top, and voila, this is what you get. This salmon did not last in this household whatsoever. It was so good. My wife loved it, my daughter loved it, everybody loved it. Man, we cleaned them plates, man. Looked like we did the dishes, but no, we did not. We just scraped off every single last piece of salmon off that plate because it was so good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Deuces.